The catalytic converter plays a vital role in reducing harmful emissions, making it an essential component for your car and the environment. Ignoring its importance can have severe legal and financial consequences. A failing catalytic converter can lead to hefty repair bills and even penalties if your car fails emission standards. Ensuring it functions properly is not just about compliance, but also about maintaining your car's overall health. One of the first signs of a failing catalytic converter is decreased fuel efficiency. When the converter becomes clogged or malfunctions, your engine has to work harder, leading to increased fuel consumption. If you notice your fuel tank emptying faster than usual, this could be an early warning sign. Alongside this, a drop in engine performance often accompanies a faulty catalytic converter. A clogged converter restricts exhaust flow, resulting in reduced power and sluggish acceleration. If your car struggles to perform even during routine driving, it might be time for a closer look. Strange noises from your exhaust area can also signal trouble. A damaged converter might produce a rattling or knocking sound, especially when your car starts or idles. These noises indicate the ceramic components inside the converter have broken apart. Ignoring these signs can lead to further damage, so it's critical to act quickly. The smell test can also help identify a failing catalytic converter. If you detect a rotten egg odor while driving, it's likely due to a malfunctioning converter. This smell occurs when unprocessed sulfur in your fuel reacts improperly in the exhaust system. The intensity of this odor can vary, but its presence is almost always a red flag. You can perform a visual inspection to assess your catalytic converter's condition. Look for cracks, leaks, or discoloration on the converter's surface. Rust or physical damage often points to underlying issues that need immediate attention. If you're unsure, consult a mechanic who can perform a more detailed evaluation. If any of these symptoms resonate, professional advice is crucial. A mechanic can confirm the diagnosis and suggest repair or replacement options. While a failing converter may sometimes be repaired, replacement is often the best course of action to ensure your car meets emission standards. Regular maintenance and periodic checks can prevent costly converter issues and keep your vehicle running smoothly. By being proactive, you can avoid the complications and expenses associated with a failing catalytic converter. Don't wait until it's too late. Your car and the environment depend on it.